Today we compare two top winter contenders, the Hankook Winter cept RS3 versus the Continental WinterContact TS 870. Both tires are designed to tackle winter's toughest challenges, but which one edges ahead in real-world performance? Let's dive into the differences in performance across wet, snow, and dry conditions. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook Winter cept RS3 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet braking, there's a 0.6 meter difference in favor of the TS 870, giving it a slight edge in emergency stops on wet roads. When it comes to wet handling, the Continental is 1.1 seconds faster around the lap, offering better control in slick conditions. For straight-line aquaplaning, there's a 0.6 km/h difference, with the TS 870 maintaining grip slightly longer, adding confidence when driving through deep water. In snow braking, the TS 870 stops 1.6 meters shorter, providing a noticeable advantage when slowing down on snowy roads, but for snow traction, the cept RS3 is quicker by 0.2 seconds during acceleration, just slightly better grip during snow starts. In snow handling, Hankook leads with a 2.9-second advantage on the lap, making it the more agile option in snow-covered conditions. In dry braking, Hankook has a 1.4 meter shorter stopping distance, ideal for those occasional clear days in winter. Dry handling is incredibly close, with Continental just 0.1 seconds faster, showing how competitive both tires are on dry roads. Continental has a 0.4 lower rolling resistance coefficient value, offers better fuel efficiency and reduced environmental impact, ideal for drivers focused on lower consumption. Both tires provide equal comfort, while Continental is 0.1 decibels quieter, contributing to a slightly more serene cabin. In summary, the Continental WinterContact TS 870 excels in wet, snow braking, and rolling resistance. On the other hand, the Hankook Winter cept RS3 excels in snow traction, snow handling, and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.